Exclusive interiors and architecture. Designing dreams. Building relationships. We do awesome things.
Hi, I am Anil Bhamre, staying in Pimple Saudagar, Pune. I am here to talk about exclusive interiors from Pimple Saudagar, Pune. When we started doing the civil work along with the builder here in Tri's apartments, we wanted to search for an architect right from the start because we wanted to do civil work as well as the interior works from an architect, right from design perspective and execution both. So we came to know about exclusive interiors when we were searching architect online. So we decided to drop an email to them. They were very prompt to respond to us. And thereafter they called us for a face-to-face meeting. The meeting was very professional, very quick because they made us understand how are their processes, how do they go about doing designing, execution, after-sale service, etc. So it took us about a month's time to understand them and they to understand what the project scope is about. Post that, we have had several meetings. Almost every week we used to have a meeting either on weekends or weekdays as and where we used to find time. They explained us the full process and they gave us the first line of estimates. It went through some negotiations and then we closed upon to the final likely cost of the full project, which included the design, the agency fees as well as the material and the service. They were very good at design stage because they visited the site almost 10 times before they could put their hands onto the actual design work being started. After the design work, they gave us almost 5 to 6 options of the whole house, including the interiors, the living room, bedroom, the balcony, terrace, etc. Once we finalized the options, which were both functional as well as aesthetically good, they started the execution work. There was a time lag between the design finalization to start the execution because the builder had not finished the handover. They were very patient and at the back end they started doing the work in terms of procurements. Right from the word go till the finishing of the completion, they took hardly 3 months to do the whole thing. Even during the execution, both Abhijit as well as Nidhi Jaju were very professional because they visited the site almost 3 to 4 times along with their team. They made sure that they were always in touch with the carpenter to get the execution done. They also pushed us to make sure that we are on the site to understand if the execution is going in the right perspective. Are we happy about it? Once the execution was about to complete, they called us upon and we had one face-to-face meeting with the carpenter to understand everything is in place as per our expectation, as per our design, as per our estimates, etc. In meantime, for many of the products and services, they also made us to meet most of the vendors, be it the curtain vendor, be it the floor vendor, be it the appliances, be it the kitchen top, etc. They are very transparent about it. Most of the fittings were done to the minute details and perfect. Of course, in any project, there are hiccups. Here also, there were hiccups, but they were very quick in giving us the prompt service. We are very happy about all the execution that has been done. Most of the products have also been imported, and Mrs. Jaju has been very kind enough to ensure that everything looks beautiful, aesthetically, and it's also functionally perfect. Once the handover was done to us in about July 2018, there have been almost 3 to 4 times where we had some issues with respect to the functional aspects, which they corrected impromptly. And today also, they are very good to give us after-sale service. In fact, I would recommend Exclusive Interiors to all my friends, families, and any one of you for their design aspect, for their professionalism, their transparency, and their execution. I'm very thankful for their job, and I'm thankful that I made them in the right time, because of which this whole house looks very beautiful. And many of my friends and families who have visited, they say that it's perfect. Why can't we also get this done like?
Thank you. You can reach us at